Day 41. Pay peanuts, get monkeys. If you pay very little, you'll only attract unskilled or low-quality workers. In other words, you get what you pay for. If an employer offers poor salaries, peanuts, they can't expect to hire talented, professional, or responsible people, monkeys. Peanuts, a tiny amount of money, very low pay. Monkeys, a humorous metaphor for incompetent or unprofessional workers. The expression warns against stinginess in hiring or management. Quality requires investment. Examples. If the company keeps paying peanuts, they'll keep getting monkeys. No skilled engineer will stay for long. You can't expect top performance on a shoestring budget. Pay peanuts, get monkeys.
What makes a social event truly enjoyable and memorable?
A truly memorable event balances planning with spontaneity. For example, a well-executed Gatsby party captures glamour, music, and laughter, but if organizers pay peanuts, they'll get monkeys. Cheap shortcuts inevitably compromise quality. The key is attention to detail. When everything comes together to a T, from decor to entertainment, the evening flows seamlessly. Humor is essential. A host who can keep everyone in stitches transforms a gathering into genuine joy. While there is no single silver bullet for perfection, careful curation, unexpected delights, and a lively atmosphere create memories that linger. Ultimately, the combination of meticulous planning, playful surprises, and shared laughter defines the hallmark of an unforgettable celebration. Day 1, signature dish. Day 2, bang for the buck. Day 3, go do. Day 4, up to scratch. Day 5, over my dead body. Day 6, your wish is my command. Day 7, wonders never cease. Day 8, canary in the coal mine. Day 9, cross the bridge when you come to it. Day 10, rule of thumb. Day 11, serendipity often brings the finest treasures. Day 12, revenge is a dish best served cold. Day 13, I rest my case. Day 14, paint the town red. Day 15, cross every T and dot every I. Day 16, the penny drops. Day 17, monkey see, monkey do. Day 18, richer than Croesus. Day 19, the 11th hour. Day 20, what is cheap is often dear.
Day 21, cut through the red tape. Day 22, fortunes change hands in a decade. Day 23, go big or go home. Day 24, a red letter day. Day 25, an Achilles heel. Day 26, ring a bell, ring any bells. Day 27, a Herculean task. Day 28, play your cards close to your chest. Day 29, home and dry. Day 30, cut and dried. Day 31, you're pulling my leg. Day 32, hit or miss. Day 33, don't push your luck. Day 34, it's not over until the fat lady sings. Day 35, a Frankenstein city. Day 36, empty vessels make the most noise. Day 37, keep someone in stitches. Day 38, a silver bullet. Day 39, a Gatsby party. Day 40, to a T.